How would it feel to make hundreds or thousands of dollars per affiliate sale? Pretty incredible, you would say, but it's absolutely possible with high-ticket affiliate marketing, which has to do with promoting products in affiliate programs that pay $100 plus in sales commission upfront. High-ticket affiliate marketing allows you to earn more money with fewer sales. That's in many cases how super affiliates make huge sales commissions, but they are just not inclined to talk about it. And inexperienced affiliate marketers don't always know where to find these high-ticket affiliate programs. In this video, you're going to learn about 10 high-ticket affiliate programs in 2022. Kinsta is a web hosting company that offers managed WordPress hosting to its customers with very fast loading times and excellent support. Its affiliate program pays a commission of up to $500 per sale. You also get 10% in monthly recurring commission for the lifetime of the customer that you referred, and it has a 60-day cookie. Shopify offers e-commerce solutions and/or services to more than 1 million online retailers in over 175 countries. Like many other high-ticket affiliate programs, Shopify does not accept anyone as an affiliate. You need to own and run an active website, have an established audience, create original content such as blog posts, videos, guides, etc. Have experience with e-commerce. If you are accepted into the program, you will make commissions of up to $598. Its cookie lasts 30 days. HubSpot offers services for generated leads, managing them through email lists, guiding them through sales funnels for them to buy. Its products are used by 113,000 customers in over 120 countries. As an affiliate in their affiliate program, you can make up to $1,000 in commission, and their cookie lasts 90 days. Cloudways offers web hosting services for individuals, SMBs, etc. They've had over 250,000 websites with around 94.7% customer happiness score. Its affiliate program offers two commission structures to choose from: a one-off commission of up to $125 per sale, or even more for affiliates making more than 80 sales per month. Another commission type pays 7% recurring commissions, plus a one-time $30 per sale. Its cookie lasts 90 days. Luxury Card is an exclusive card that offers you air miles, airport lounge access, a 24/7 concierge service, and a lot more. Its affiliate program pays $405 commission for each sale or sign up. Its cookie lasts 30 days. Getz is one of the world's premier private jet leasing companies. It allows the super rich to choose from over 10,000 jets from 10,000 international locations. Affiliates receive 30% recurring commission on each sale. Their affiliates get $541.5 for selling their cheapest flight. Their cookie lasts 360. Oceanscape Yachts allows the rich and/or famous to have a super yacht all to themselves in pretty much any location, from the Arctic Circle to any number of Pacific or Mediterranean islands. Their affiliates make an average of $1,250 commission per sale. Their cookie duration is permanent. Liquid Web offers high-end hosting solutions ranging from managed WordPress to dedicated server clusters. The company was created in 1997 and their affiliate program around this time. You get paid a relatively high commission of $150 per referral, but you could get a sale commission going up to $7,000 per referral if your referral spends thousands of dollars upfront. Their cookie lasts 90 days. BigCommerce is a Shopify competitor. That is, they help anyone start and design their online store and get their products out there. They're used by big names like Ben & Jerry's, Skullcandy, and Jeep people. Their affiliates get 200% of the referral's first monthly payment, which means you can make up to $1,500 if your referral signs up for an enterprise plan. Their cookie lasts 90 days. Capitalist Exploits is a group of seasoned investors. They offer expert insider investment advice to their clients through their newsletters. They offer a ton of free information through blog posts and downloadable reports. You can earn 995.5 US dollars for each referral. Sign up. The cookie duration is 365 days.